Es Maruchan.
¿Sabe buena?
You're so curious, tía.
Es dulce.
It's sweet. This is Alex's meal. This is his
¿Y ese es
dinner.
ketchup?
No, este es como spring rolls.
No, este.
Oh.
Lo que está dentro.
Este no es importante, es basura este.
¿O es basura?
No, es de la seaweed.
Entonces, este es su taco y burrito.
No, sí, taco, burrito. Y comida china.
Sushi.
Ajá.
Sí.
Ramen.
Maruchan.
Y
Gelatina.
gelatina.
You being a fighter, bro. Those are not tacos and burritos.
¿Con esto venía?
Sí, y este también. Venía con todo. Oh, tía, tiene cuchara. Si puede ponerle la cuchara.
No, me quiero un poquito aquí para probar. No me gusta.
¿Está bien?
¿Está bien?
Está buena. Esa está rica.
Oh, that one's good.
Es rica. ¿Quiero este o no?
Sí, por favor.
Esa
Hold
está
on.
rica. Esa está rica.
Okay. Pruébala. Try it. Okay, go.
Esa está rica. Pruébala.
He's gonna go to my YouTube channel.
What the? No.
Just hold it.
Nah.
Okay, my turn. Now you have to record me trying
like
it.
mango.
You have to record me trying it. Okay. You have to record me.
I am. Give you that. You'll be sure. Let me get it closer.
Okay. Mmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You guys should buy this. Everyone should buy this.
Don't say that. Okay. Now what are you gonna try next? You have to try the ramen next.
Why? We want to try the spring rolls.
Oh, no, try that real quick.
You can try
We're going one by one. Okay, that will be the last thing. You try the spring roll. Let's both try the spring roll.
Yeah.
You go first. Try the spring roll first.
Try at the same time, bro.
Well, I want a gyoza.
What the? Try at the same time. You're
Okay,
doing
okay,
it.
okay, okay, okay,
No.
okay, 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 okay. Ready? Set, go. Mmm. Tía, ¿quiere mitad de un burrito?
El burrito no lo traté.
¿Quiere mitad?
¿Está bueno?
No.
¿Ya lo comiste?
Ya, mitad. Él se come uno. It was okay.
Yeah, that's alright.
I thought it was gonna taste worse.
los drogó para llevarse al pequeño y
Eso,
desapareció
mira.
sin dejar
Está
rastro.
rico.
Es el momento en que una mujer
Okay,
quien le
ready?
robaron a su bebé sale
Ready?
para iniciar con la investigación y denunciar el hecho que ocurrió en este
¿Quiere mitad de la taco? Son lo mismo,
Está
pero
rico.
That tastes better.
that one did taste better.
Es
Cause that
sweet.
one,
Es como
Yeah.
dulce agrio. Dulce agrio.
Like back and forth.
I liked it.
y bebidas de la familia para provocar que se
Okay,
rindieran.
the Maruchan.
Llevar al bebé
Y la última.
I'm
You
not,
have to eat the egg though. You have to eat
I'm
the
not
egg.
sure about sharing this one.
Why?
I don't know. It's nothing that you share, but
Well, there's an egg. Like we can just try the egg and a noodle. So try the egg. How does the egg taste with the broth? You have to be like those Japanese YouTubers,
the exact same.
huh?
The exact same here. For you.
Okay. Hold on. You have to record me eating the egg. Okay. Just the exact fucking same.
I know.
Okay.
And then noodle.
Yeah. Damn! Look at that. Look at that quality. It has like noodles in it.
Uh-oh.
Damn! Put all of that up. Was it yummy? Okay.
Cold.
My turn. Well, no shit. It's cold. We made it with cold water. Ah, let me just savor it. Oh, that's too much. I don't like that. Mmm. You can actually like taste the define of the noodles. Like,
Yeah.
you're gonna eat all of it? You're not gonna offer some to Tia?
I don't think she's gonna want some of this, bro. They're not thinking about them. It's disgusting.
Then don't eat it!
I think it was good.
The broth?
The star. I think the noodles are just so bad that it made it better. Like it was like a breath of fresh air.
So we're not finishing the Jello, right? We're not finishing the Jello. They need to get you to be
I'm
like
like,
those.
wait, worst moment. I'm down right now. I'm hungry. You know who would really love this?
What? What?
Chubbs.
No, Chubbs can't eat that.
He would love it.
Chubbs, ¿se puede comer este?
determinar si otorgaba o no una
Chups.
compensación millonaria para escribir
Translated.
que otro jurado había culpado de violación al exmandatario.
Yeah, she says give it to him. He's eating other things.
No, I'm kidding. I wouldn't make me. I wouldn't make me that.
You wouldn't make him. What was your? No, I'm eating that. This is the one I'm eating. It was a good. It was a good one.
Oh, I thought that was the nails.
What was your review on the food?
¿Cuál era tuya, XL?
Sí.
¿Esta es tuya?
Savanas, no?
No, it's mío.
Está bien, ¿qué?
I'd rather
Yes,
eat
yes, yes.
Yoshinoya.
Really?
That's saying something.
Would you rather eat Chinese food?
No, I'd rather eat this.